Hey, what's up? I have the new 2021 smartwatch from LOKMAT Time Company. The price of this watch is only $40, but it has many features such as Bluetooth phone calls, music player, 1.28-inch round dial, 10 sports modes, heart rate and blood pressure monitors. By the way, we have already tested the smartwatches from LOKMAT Company, such as LOKMAT MK28 and TK04. The last one even supports a SIM card. You can watch the videos about them by the links in description. As usual, I want to start this review with unboxing, but first, hit the like button. Let's begin. On the box of LOKMAT Time Comet 3, we can see that this watch is produced by the Chinese company because there are Chinese inscriptions on the box. However, there is also information in English, including main features and specifications. Inside the box, there is the watch itself, magnetic charging cable and user manual. This is a quick unboxing, and now let's move on to design of the new LOKMAT Time watch. You know, LOKMAT Time Comet 3 is a budget watch, but it looks and feels very nice. The round dial and physical buttons on the right side are made of metal, but the cover on the back is plastic. Here we can see 4-pin charging connector and heart rate sensor. On the front there is a 1.28-inch round display with 240 by 240 pixels resolution. I want to show it to you in direct sunlight. As you can see, the screen is really good outdoors. Talking about the strap, the watch comes with silicone one, but it is removable. You can buy any other strap from leather, metal or the same silicone, but another color, and use it with LOKMAT Time Comet 3. You should pay attention to the width of the strap, 22 mm. By the way, the silicone strap is more suitable for sports. Actually, this is a sports watch, because it is waterproof by IP68 standard, and it has many sports modes. Finally, I want to tell you about dimensions of the watch. The dial is 47 by 47 mm, while the thickness is 12.1 mm. The weight of the watch is 62 grams. Now let's turn on the watch and look at the main functions. Before using the watch, you need to connect them to smartphone. For that, scan QR code on the screen of the watch and download each band app on your Android or iOS device. Then open the app, register a new account if you don't have it yet, and tap on the red line to connect the watch. Now choose Comet 3 in the list, and that's it. The watch is connected. LOKMAT Time Comet 3 has 4 watch faces by default, but you can download much more from the app on smartphone. We will talk about app functions a little later in this video. So if you want to change the watch face, just press and hold on the screen and then choose the one that you like. The watch has quick settings menu with following functions: Find Phone, Alarms, Device Broadcasting, Do Not Disturb mode, and information about the watch. There is also a quick access to music player by swiping up from the main screen. Swipe left or right to measure blood pressure, heart rate, and check information about sleep and daily activity. The watch has many other functions. Press on this button and you will have sports modes, step and sleep information, heart rate and blood pressure, call dial, contacts, call log, notifications, alarm clocks, countdown, music player, find phone, female health, remote camera and settings menu. In the settings menu you can change the screen brightness, choose time for auto log, switch the functions, dial settings, message settings, device info and clear data. That's all the new watch from LOKMAT Time can do. That's quite a lot, isn't it? One of the main features of the new watch is Bluetooth phone calls. Let's check it out. So when somebody calls you on smartphone, you can accept or reject the call on the watch. Also, you can use the phone book to call someone, as well as dial to call any number. The watch also has notifications of the new messages from social medias, messengers and other apps on smartphone. This is how it looks like. Now I want to check the music storage. First, you need to connect the watch to PC or laptop using charging cable from the package, and then upload the music to the watch storage. There is 128 MB available, but this is enough for a couple songs. After that, swipe up from the main screen of the watch and click on 3 dots on the bottom. Here you can choose the music from the storage and music from connected smartphone. We can also add wireless earbuds. Just press a new device and choose your earbuds in the list. It's pretty simple, isn't it? Everything works fine. That's very good. I also want to tell you about the functions of the app. You know, I have already seen this application when tested the other Chinese smartwatch. It seems that different Chinese manufacturers of smartwatches use the same application. It is not a bad thing if all the functions work well. So on the main screen of the app we can see steps for day, sleep, heart rate and blood pressure info. The next step is running. The watch doesn't have built-in GPS, but you can use the GPS in your phone to track movement while running. The settings menu has many options, such as message notifications, alarm settings, sedentary reminder, heart rate alert, turn risk detection, power device, low power mode, blood pressure private mode, frequent contacts, screen on time, switch settings, take photo, reset password, dial settings, firmware upgrade, clear data, and reset. By the way, I said before that you can download much more watch faces. For that, go to dial settings and select more dials. As you can see, there are many different watch faces available. Most of them look very nice. Talking about battery of LOKMAT Time Comet 3, it has a capacity of 230 mAh. The battery life is about 7–10 days, depending on usage. Of course, the battery life will be less if you always use the sport mode and listen to music. You know, LOKMAT Time Comet 3 is a really good watch for the price of $40. First, it looks very nice with metal dial and silicone strap. If you don't like this silicone strap, then you can buy any other of 22mm width and use it with this watch. I really like that even budget watches in 2021 have Bluetooth phone calls. Although LOKMAT Time Comet 3 doesn't have SIM card slot, but you can connect the watch to the smartphone and receive or make calls using the watch. Another useful function of LOKMAT Time Comet 3 is built-in memory for music storage. You can upload your music on the watch and connect the wireless earbuds to the watch and listen to music without connected phone. We have tested this function and it really works. So if you want to buy a LOKMAT Time Comet 3 smartwatch, I will leave the link to AliExpress in description under the video. Thank you for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.